welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a product unboxing. If you want to get the real unboxing, follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Trees 98. Most of the time when I get something now these days, I unbox it on TikTok first because TikTok is just easier to do. So yeah, but if you follow me on TikTok, you already had a 411 and you already know what's good, what's up, and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. As you can see, I did my twist. My hair is nice and twisted up and all that good stuff. This video is going to be straight to the point because I have some Wingstop sitting right there waiting on me with a good Dr. Pepper. Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay, so this brand I seen on TikTok, actually. She had hair growth oil for $5. And so I was like, okay, well, let me just follow her, right? And then I was scrolling one day and I seen she had a sale. It was a $3 sale. So my total came up to $8 because, you know, $3 plus shipping, $5, total $8. So I was like, I have to take advantage. So this is the Moni Vault. Everything on her website was $3. Yeah, I decided to get the 2-ounce bottle. This is the Moni Vault. I'm not sure if it's Moni Vault or Money Vault. There's some money in here, like cut up pieces of money, but her name is Armani, so I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't want to get anybody's name wrong or anything like that, but I wanted to shop with her because she lives in Georgia as well. So I was like, I love supporting anybody that lives in Georgia because I'm from Georgia, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, you a black woman on business and you live in Georgia, I'm sold, pretty much, you get what I'm saying? And it's a hair growth oil. Come on now, y'all know I love hair growth oils. Now, Brooke Nation hair growth oil, I still love her oil. However, my bad, y'all, I got a message. However, I ran out and I was like, this is the perfect opportunity for me to try something else. You get what I'm saying? Like, I want to try something else. I love Brooke Nation hair growth oil, but I want to try something else. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all know I'm an oil girl. So this is the Moni Vault. I love her are these pictures, photos? I love these. Okay, I love good photos. It says the Moni Vault. Hey Money Dog, we are testing out our new bottles. This ensures no breakage during transit. Our new squeezable bottles are perfect for travel. We want your review. Please tell us, which do you prefer, glass or plastic? Me personally, I prefer glass over plastic. I've traveled with glass bottles before, with glass oil bottles before. They have never broken or anything like that. However, this is cute. I like this. This is easy for me to just apply, put it in my bag, and then I know it's not going to, you know, go nowhere or do nothing because it is plastic. You get what I'm saying? So this is nice too. But if I had to choose, I would definitely prefer my glass bottles. But yeah, this is her packaging. It's so cute. And her different oils do different things. This is the grapeseed and castor hair growth oil. So it stimulates for rapid hair growth, thickens hair, relieves dry scalp, and reduces dandruff. And this is the 2-ounce squeeze tube. And then this is just like hair instructions, I think. Yeah, this is just hair instructions. Okay, so it says how to use our hair growth oil. Dab drop to the scalp or targeted area. Massage oil into scalp with clean fingers, of course. Do not cover hair. Allow oil to soak in your scalp. Depending on scalp type, apply. If your scalp is oily, apply 1 to 2 times a week. If you have dry scalp, apply 3 to 5 times per week. So what I normally do with my oils is I normally apply them once a day. So what that's about, I apply my oil every day. So until I run out of it. Every day or every other day. So yeah, and then it says don't forget to take before or after photos to track your progress. Expected results are usually between 4 to 6 weeks. Results may vary. Now, I don't really use, I use hair growth oils to grow my hair. However, I just like the way oils feel on my scalp, so I will continue to always use oil. I'm not really focused on hair growth, but hair growth is good. You get what I'm saying? Like, my hair is already like long, so I'm not really focused on hair growth, but yeah. And then it says, please send us your results at the Money Vault. And this is, it's so cute. So this is the product. And what I do want to say is, she took the time to write out her thing. So if y'all are like, oh, she's taking too long, I think she's doing it by herself. Correct me if I'm wrong. She can correct me if I'm wrong. However, I think she's doing it by herself, and she's taking the time. She's, you know, doing everything, getting orders, making sure shit is straight, packaging, refilling bottles, filling up tubes, washing. It takes a lot to run a business, so I feel like, especially if you get a lot of orders, so I feel like, you know, people need to, you know, back up a little bit. Like, you know what I'm saying? My order came within a timely manner. I ordered February 25th or something like that, and today's March 2nd. So I did not have to email her or do any of that, you know. So just, you know, take your time. Like, you're doing a good job. You know what I'm saying? Like, do not let these people get to you, because I know sometimes it gets discouraging, because it's like, dang. You know, that's just my little word of advice. Like, keep going, Miss Armani. You are doing the thing. So, yeah. And the smell isn't bad. Like, just want to massage it in. My twists are still wet, so I'm not trying to do too much to my hair. But yeah. I like to, you know, put it on there. I love oil, y'all. One thing about me, I'm going to continue to use my hair growth oils in general on my hair. All right, y'all. So now that that is applied, oh, edges, hold on. Edges. The front of my hair is thinner. I have like a thinner curl texture, curl pattern, because of the heat damage in the front, as you can see. So you always want to make sure our edges are protected. Now, I know it said do not cover in the packaging. However, that's what I'm finna do, because that's what I've been doing for a minute now, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I can't really follow directions when it comes to that. But, yeah. So, y'all gonna be seeing this in my videos. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. And I'm going to eat. Like I said, this was a nice little quick video. And follow Money Vault on Instagram as well as TikTok. She makes cute TikToks using her product and, you know, filling it up and things like that, shipping and things like that. And yeah, cute little brand. I absolutely love it. She has a lot more stuff too. She has shampoo, conditioner. She has stuff on there for wigs. I don't wear wigs. She has stuff on there for anti-itch oil. She has different types of oils too, so you're just gonna have to look through and see which one is best for you. And yeah, I see y'all in the next video.